The neighborhood is the most fundamental increment of the city, a place where both communal and individual identity are affirmed, the most logical unit for environmental action and accountancy. Terreform and Bengal Institute will study two very different neighborhoods, with many similarities. Narayanganj in Dhaka and West Woodlawn in Chicago are both poor, underdeveloped, under-resourced, and underappreciated. West Woodlawn and Shahidnagar have distinct areas and population densities. They are both ripe with human, economic, urbanistic, and environmental potential. Using digital technology, we will structure a collaboration between these two communities to enable their transformation into highly sustainable and self-reliant environments. We will begin with two greenhouses, local center that will enable direct contact and cooperation between Narayanganj and West Woodlawn. This process will depend on both high and low-tech facilitation, based on the fundamental need for face-to-face collaboration. In the individual neighborhoods, this will be physical, in the collective space of the greenhouse. Between groups and individuals in Dhaka and Chicago, this will be virtual, via computer screens or wall-size projection. This back-and-forth process will be managed by already identified community organizations with whom we will partner to provide expertise and resources. From combining community input and our own, we will produce an array of outcomes, both inspirational and practical. The two greenhouses will facilitate planning and become active community development centers. In Dhaka, we will produce an app to enable local residents to access an array of government and other services directly. In both Dhaka and Chicago, we will produce comprehensive plans for the dramatic increase of neighborhood metabolic self-reliance in food, energy, waste, water, sewage, thermal behavior, housing, education, and employment. We will deploy a wide range of appropriate technologies from digital controls to monitor performance and planting trees to produce shade and sink carbon. We will design prototypical net zero housing prototypes for these two dramatically different climates and cultures, cluster housing in Narayanganj and a classic 4-flat in Chicago. In Dhaka, using the greenhouse as a point of departure, we will build the first cluster of net zero housing, including systems that will train local residents to produce future elements themselves.